Hi everyone, welcome to Rabia's Easy Drawing. Let's learn fruits. So first of all, we are gonna learn colors. So here are our cute colors. So let's start with yellow color. This is yellow color. Pink color, dark green color, then orange color, purple color, brown color, light green color, dark purple color, blue color, dark blue color, light blue color, and then black color. So these are colors. Now let's draw our first fruit, which is apple. So we are drawing. Come on everybody, repeat with me. What is this? A for apple. Apple. Our next fruit is orange. O for orange. Orange. Apple, then orange. This is a slice of orange. Next is a banana. A bunch of bananas. B for banana. So we are drawing bananas one by one, and these are 3 bananas. Next is watermelon. Watermelon. Say with me, watermelon. Apple, orange, banana, then watermelon. These are seeds of watermelon. Our next fruit is grapes. It is a bunch of grapes. Grapes, watermelon, then grapes. Now we have drawn grape. Now we are drawing it. Now we are gonna draw 2 strawberries. Which fruit is this? Strawberries. Strawberries. Strawberry. Strawberries. We're gonna start our fruits. Now we are gonna start coloring our first fruit, which is apple, with green and dark green color. We are using dark green color in the leaf and stem. Now we are using red color to fill the whole apple. Apple is in red color. Apple can be in green color also, but we are drawing apple in red color. Now we are using orange color and dark green color to fill in the orange, dark and green color in the leaf, and orange color to fill in the whole orange. As we know that fruit orange is an orange color, that is why we call it orange. Now we are filling orange color in the slice of orange. We are done with orange. Now we are coloring bananas with brown color and yellow color. As all of you know that bananas are in yellow color. Now we are going to color apple, orange and banana. We are going to color watermelon with dark green color in the outer boundaries and red color in the whole watermelon. Now we are coloring our grapes with green color in the leaf and the stem, and then using purple color to fill in the grapes. All of the grapes, this bunch of grapes. So one by one we are filling all of our grapes with purple color. Now we are going to use red color to fill in the strawberries and green color to fill in its leaves. So now let's repeat: apple, orange, bananas, watermelon, grapes, strawberries. So hope so you have learned all the fruits. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.